Welcome to Reviewsinside, where we bring you the most thorough, unbiased, and up-to-date product reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Waring Commercial MX1050XTX 3.5 HP blender. If you're in the market for a heavy-duty blender that can handle the demands of a commercial kitchen or even serious home use, then this blender might just be on your radar. With a powerful 3.5 peak horsepower motor, an electronic keypad, and a durable 64-aughts BPA-free copolyester container, the MX1050XTX promises to deliver professional-level blending performance. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Waring Commercial MX1050XTX is designed with one thing in mind: power and efficiency. At its core, you've got a 3.5 peak HP motor that's built to tackle tough ingredients, whether you're making smoothies, pureeing soups, or crushing ice. One of the standout features is its electronic membrane keypad, which simplifies operation with a user-friendly interface that's easy to clean and maintain. The 64-aughts copolyester container is both sturdy and lightweight, offering the durability you'd expect from a commercial blender, while still being stackable for easy storage. For those concerned about noise, the MX1050XTX offers an optional sound enclosure for quieter operation, which is a welcome feature in bustling kitchen environments. It's also CTUVS and NSF certified, meaning it meets strict safety and sanitation standards for commercial use. But all this power and functionality comes with a price. Let's see if it's worth it. When it comes to real-world usage, the Waring Commercial MX1050XTX truly shines. Setting it up was straightforward. Plug it in, choose your settings, and you're good to go. The electronic keypad is responsive and makes blending tasks simple, whether you're in a rush or looking to perfect a recipe. In testing, I put it through a series of challenging scenarios. For instance, I blended a large batch of frozen fruit for smoothies, and the blender powered through it without any strain, leaving a smooth, consistent texture. It was equally effective when I tried making a soup from raw vegetables. It pureed everything evenly, which is something I look for in a blender that promises professional-grade performance. The pulse feature also came in handy for creating thicker blends or breaking up larger chunks of ingredients. Now, on to the pros and cons. The standout positive here is the sheer power of the motor. At 3.5 HP, it can handle tasks that most residential blenders would balk at. This is especially helpful in a commercial setting where time is of the essence, and you need equipment that can keep up. The build quality is another high point. The copolyester container feels sturdy, and the blender's overall design seems built to last. The electronic keypad is simple to use and clean, which is a nice bonus for anyone who's used to the mess of traditional blenders. As for the cons, the main issue is the noise level when the blender is running at full power. While the optional sound enclosure helps, it doesn't eliminate the noise entirely. If you're in a small, quiet kitchen, this could be a concern. Additionally, the price point is definitely on the higher side. While it's understandable considering the power and build quality, it's something to think about if you're on a budget. Now, when we talk about value for money, it's clear that the Waring Commercial MX1050XTX is an investment. It's not cheap, but you're paying for quality and durability. If you're operating in a high-volume setting, this blender will likely pay for itself quickly with its efficiency and power. Compare this to some other high-end blenders on the market, like the Vitamix XL or Blendtec Connoisseur 825. These are also designed for commercial use and offer similar power, but the Waring blender's price tends to be more competitive, especially when considering its specific feature set, like the pulse feature and electronic controls. That said, if you're a home user who only blends occasionally, there are more affordable options that will likely meet your needs without the commercial-grade power and price tag. Speaking of alternatives, the Vitamix XL is a strong competitor in the commercial blender category, offering a similar 3.4 HP motor. The Blendtec Connoisseur 825 also competes in this space, with features like a touchpad interface and a high-performance motor. However, the Waring MX1050XTX stands out with its electronic keypad and the optional sound enclosure, which can be a game changer in certain environments. Where the Vitamix and Blendtec offer more sleek designs and a bit more brand recognition, the Waring stands out with its functionality and durability, particularly in terms of noise reduction and usability in fast-paced kitchens. As for the build quality, the Waring Commercial MX1050XTX is rock solid. The 64 Ounces copolyester container is built to withstand the rigors of daily use without showing signs of wear. The blender itself is sturdy and the design feels reliable, perfect for high-use environments. While there is no long-term data available just yet, Waring has a strong reputation for producing reliable commercial-grade appliances, and this blender fits right into that tradition. It seems built to last, and with proper care, it should provide years of dependable service. If you ever find yourself in need of customer support, Waring is known for providing solid service. While I haven't had to reach out personally, the brand's reputation in the commercial appliance world is generally positive, and they offer support through various channels, including phone and email. For a blender in this price range, solid customer service is a must, and based on Waring's track record, you can feel confident that help is available if needed. In summary, the Waring Commercial MX1050XTX 3.5 HP blender is an excellent choice for those who need serious power and reliability in a commercial kitchen or a high-demand environment. The motor's power, ease of use, and durable construction make it a standout performer. The price may be high, but you're paying for long-term reliability and superior performance. While it's not the quietest blender around, and the noise can be a bit much without the sound enclosure, it's still an impressive machine. If you're running a business or have a heavy need for blending, this product will likely meet your expectations and more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the product link in the comments box below. And if you've had any experience with the Waring Commercial MX1050XTX, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to ask any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, keep blending those good vibes with Reviews Inside TV.